Okay, this is the second Santa Claus that I made. The eyes are glass. The outfit is handmade. Mouth works good. Use the hat on or off, it doesn't matter. Let's see, we can go all the way around. We have back is cut out so it's easier to get your hand in and out of. Take the head out. See, it's got a ring lever. Mouth works good, so you can use either hand, or you can use your thumb or your forefinger, whichever you want. But he is ready. If you're interested in him, you can look me up on my Facebook page and we can talk about it. But he is done and ready to go. So thanks for watching.